Hello Libras, this is your bi-weekly for the last 15 days of May. So let's check out your love energy for the last 15 days of May. This is just a quick reading. Let's see your energy. So first card you have, wow, Lovers card. So you are definitely dealing with your soulmate. You feel the divine connection with someone in your heart. So you are just simply awakening about this connection that you have or having feelings for someone that is your counterpart. So there is like a love. You are like feeling or dealing with the love of your life. So let's see your partner's love energy towards my beautiful Libras. What they have Ace of Sword and the Tower card. Ace of Sword representing all sort of a new beginnings that is based on the truth. This is like a new beginning, a fresh starting that is based on the truth, communication, right, from your partner's side. And the next card is the Tower card. See, Tower card representing two meanings here. First, if before you both are apart, then there is chances of new beginning in this connection. But if before you both are in a very good relationship, then there is chances of breakup. So something is like shocking for you. Maybe it's a good news or maybe a sad news, but something is like shocking news that you don't expect. So that is like a Tower moment. So let's see your energy. You are just simply all about love, and they do want to communicate, they do want a fresh starting about something, but that is also at the same time giving a lot of burden and anxiety in this connection. Let's see your energy. So what you have, Nine of Cups. So for my beautiful Libras, maybe some sort of a wish come true. No matter what's going on in your love life, one of your wish definitely comes true, and that is related to love. So for you, that everything is going well. Let me take one more card for my beautiful Libras. Your love energy for the last 15 days of May. Six of Swords. So you want to escape from the situation that is not serving you well, you serving you both well. So you just want a peaceful resolution with your partner, because you are all about your emotions, your wish, your love. You have a deep love for your partner, and you do want a peaceful resolution. You do want to take your partner for some sort of a trip or journey. So that kind of a energy that you have a beautiful cards. So let's see last card for your partner. I'm not taking that much. Let me select just one card from your partner's side for the last 15 days. So we have the Knight of Wands. So this person, if before this person is denying about something, or if something destructing going on in your partner's life, maybe you are unaware about something, that this person is going through some tar moment in their life, some destruction, or maybe this is the person who having a like a breakup with someone else or something what else. But now this person is coming towards you with a lot of passion, right? So something like moving in your favor. So let's see the final outcome of your relationship that you have with this person for the last 15 days. Final outcome of your relationship. Queen of Cups. So emotions and love and nurturing and caring kind of energy is the mutual energy of both of you. You both have equal amount of love and emotions for each other. You both are very caring, nurturing. So you both are like nurturing this connection during this time period, right? So this is your reading. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.